Hey guys, hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to talk about top 5 sites for free illustrations where you can download illustrations for a project, social media, blogs, etc. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now we are in our browser and I'll simply write undraw.co, and then this is the website which will open. Now here they show you related words for their website like illustration, design, graphic, art, and etc. And once you come to open source license, now what it means is that you can use any images from Undraw. You can download them, you can use in their blogs, you can use in your Instagram, you can use in your projects wherever you want, and you don't need to provide any cost or any attribution. For example, if you download a picture from FreePic, then you have to give an attribution to FreePic that okay, this image is downloaded from FreePic, but it's not the case in Undraw. So let's browse, and then here you will get several topics for illustration, uh, travel together terms. So this is very exciting. They have a large category of illustrations, and you can search here also. So let me type YouTube, and then these are related illustrations from the tag YouTube. You can change the color from here, like it's blue now, and if I want a pink one, so here is pink. You can provide your hex color over here, and let me go to this, and here it will give you two options: draw SVG for your project, so if you are on any project and you want SVG files, or download PNG for blog post and social media. I think most of you will go for PNG one, so let me download this, and I'm going to click on OK, and yes, it's downloaded. The quality of the image is really nice, and it's just one click process. So you can go to here, and here is your image. So let us move forward to our next site, which is drawkit.io. I'm searching this. Here is the site. You can type your email ID and join. So let me type my. And join. Then here are their libraries. For example, Drawkit Classic Illustration Library, People Working, Transport, etc. And there are water animations and grape animations also. So if you want between one of them, you can surely come to this website and download them. So here is working animation, writing animation, this is also writing, thinking animations, etc. And let me show you how you can download this. So once you sign in, go over here, type what you want. So let me type computer over here, search. Okay, so I like this animation, and simply I'll click SVG plus PNG. Now over here you can type $0 cause this is free. You can go here, you can check out, get. Okay, so I have to type email address, get, view content, and I want this draw kit 400 pixels PNG. There are several options like 800 pixel, 1200 pixel, and here is the good thing is it also provides PSD file, which is Photoshop document, and SVG file. So you can go for any one of them. I'm just clicking on this 800 pixel, and let us download this. So it will take a while, and here is a pop-up. You can click on OK, and here is the image. The quality is again very good, and you have the illustration. Moving on to our next site, which is icon8.com/ouch. So probably you must be knowing about icons8.com. It's very popular site, and here you get illustrations at icons8/ouch, and these are the libraries. So there are abstract illustration, there are 1157 illustration, Confire illustration, flame, etc. Here are several categories: business, web elements, COVID-19, technology, nature, etc. So let me go to business, and let me go to this. And one of the best thing about this is you can actually edit this image in their vector creator. So you can go here, start creating for free, and you can create here. But we are going to stick on these illustrations, so I'm going to click this. So I'm going to download this. Here you get three options: subscription, single subscription, free trial. So on free trial you may get this low quality PNG, and you might also have to provide attribution to them, but of course you can get it for free. Why I put this icons8.com in this video? Because it's really a great site for designers, developers, etc., and you get a large variety of illustrations for free. But if you want high resolution, you can either buy their subscription or use any other site from this video. So I'm going to click here, download, and again this pop-up, download. The quality is little bad, but yeah, if you want these type of illustrations and if you are not finding good illustrations anywhere else, then you can come here. Now let us move forward to our next site in this video, which is humans.com, HUMAANS.com. So here is the site. You can get the library, you can use it with Blush, and if you are in Figma, you can get plugin of humans.com, where you can find these type of illustrations and edit them, and you can also make this with Webflow. Okay, so I'm going to get the library, press $0, add to cart, checkout. I have to provide my email, which is here, view content, and here is the site. So example, if you want this for XD, you can have. If you want this for Figma, you can have. If you want this for Sketch, you can have. If you want a zip file, you can have. But let's get the zip file. Let's extract this. Flat assets, humans. Now you get bunch of images over here. So you can either select the pre-made ones, or you can go to this single piece, and here are different pieces of the illustration. For example, body and bottom, sitting here, standing here, and head, front, this. So you can pick one by one and edit them in whatsoever picture editor you use. And if you have Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD, which are one of the most used site for graphic designing and UI UX, you can have the plugin also. Now let us move towards the last site of this video, which is lucasadam.com/illustration. You can check out his YouTube channel also, and here are the icons which you can have for free. So break illustrations, hero illustrations for the hero image of your website, workers, character illustration, icons, Bitcoin icon, and here is character SVG image. So this will be an SVG file, and so on. So it's pretty good that it is costing just $5 once, and For free illustrations, let us go to this monster illustration, download this, and once it is here we can extract this, extract all. This is for Mac OS and this is monster illustration. So you can get SVG file 3x, 2x, 1x, 1.5x and so on. So with this we complete the list of top 5 free illustration sites which you can use for your blogs, videos, designs, etc. And if you ask my opinion, then Undraw works best for me because it has a really large number of libraries and it's totally free with no attribution required. But this is my personal choice and you should check other sites also. Guys, if you want a brief of all the key features of these site, then you can surely visit my Instagram account. I keep posting awesome content over here, app designs, tutorials and illustrations, etc. So you can also follow me there. I'll provide the link in the description. If you liked the video, then please give me a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. Tell us in the comment that which is your favorite illustration site, and until the next one, take care and bye.